Welcome back to another Home Sweet Home Cooking. This is a battle between my mother and I.
Put them up, boy.
What are we doing?
Deviled eggs.
Deviled egg. She's going to do the one that we've done, that she's done, that I've done. Yeah, forever. I'm doing mine with a little bit of twist just to see which one's better, so.
You're going to twist?
Let's get ready to. I can't say it because I don't want to pay the royalties to Bruce Buffer. Alright, we're both starting with 6 eggs. She hard-boiled a dozen eggs yesterday. Let them cool in the fridge overnight. And I'm just going to cut them in half. This is a southern staple, as well as, I mean, we were Yankees and we ate this year-round. It's just pretty much a staple anywhere, especially around Easter time. I wonder why that is.
You got to get rid of the colored eggs.
Hard boiled in general, yeah. Alright, so while she's doing hers, you want to gently scoop out your yolks. He's got a little.
Are you making yolks again?
Yeah. A little overcooked. The yolk got green around the edge, which is fine. There is a technique for doing a hard-boiled egg. It's not really boiled at this point, it's a hard-cooked egg, but you do it in the oven, and I wonder if that would come out drier, because these, by the time you're done peeling them, it seems like they're still wet.
I never had that problem in Wisconsin, but I sure do here.
Yeah, it might be a southern thing where the eggs just maintain the moisture or bleed off excess moisture from the humidity down here. I don't know, but yeah, we do have a hard time. Not that the deviled eggs stick around in our fridge for a long time. They're usually gone pretty quick, but they can tend to get really
sloppy.
Yeah, wet and like sloppy. I was gonna say slimy, but that's not really accurate. They just get difficult to eat because they get wet and slippery from the moisture. So, and it has nothing to do with how we mix them or make them. That's just the long and short of it with hard-boiled eggs, I guess.
With being in the South.
Being in the South. Alright, so I've got my 6 eggs worth of yolks in here. Mine, I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of mayo, approximately. That's about right. I'm just using straight up regular mayo. What are you going to use in yours, Mom?
I'm going to use Miracle Whip.
Why?
Because I like it.
Because she likes it, for no other reason than she likes it.
Okay, I have stocks in it.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Mine, I want a little bit of zip in mine. Her Miracle Whip has a little bit of zip, but I'm going to add a hot sauce to mine. This was actually part of a gift. I got a gift box with, I think, 8 different hot sauces. I've already gone through 5 of them, so I'm down to my last 3 bottles now. This one is a chipotle hot sauce, smoky and savory. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of hot sauce in mine. My dad might not be able to eat these now, but that's okay. I put the devil in my deviled eggs, apparently.
You are the devil.
Also, another thing that my dad was probably going to keep him from eating is I'm going to put in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This one happens to be a honey Dijon, so it's going to add a little bit of sweetness with the mustard. So go ahead and you can start doing yours too, Melody.
I'll let you take your onions first.
Okay.
I don't want you to say I gypped you.
Dijon mustard is in. A little bit of salt in mine. A couple pinches worth. Some fresh cracked black pepper. And a little more, for me, a little more than a tablespoon. I think both of us are going to be about a tablespoon and a half worth of onions. I'll split them up evenly so she can't say that I gypped her. And then I just take a fork and I'll mash up the ingredients.
You do that.
Deviled eggs are another dish that once you let it sit, it actually improves the flavor. So I know a lot of people that they'll, oh, she's gonna cheat and use that.
Makes them fluffier.
Since when do deviled eggs have to be fluffy?
I don't know.
Mine is a rustic one.
Okay, I pretty much do the same thing. Put some onion.
Yeah, a deviled egg's got to have onion, or at least onion powder.
Onion something.
Yeah, I've even seen people take an onion and a food grater and put it, across a food grater and get it into basically a pulpy juice and use that in there, so it's not as noticeable in the yolk mixture.
And then I use a little of ground mustard, you know, the yellow stuff. I don't know what it does to them, but it does do something.
Oh, so you're using a little bit of mustard in yours, just not liquid wet
Yeah,
mustard.
he's using prepared.
Yeah.
I am not prepared. Some salt. Some pepper. And this is what makes them good, is the dill weed.
She's using dill weed. I'm using dill relish, or you could chop up a dill pickle, a dill small baby gherkin. So I figure I'll probably do at least 2 tablespoons.
Well, I'd put some in if I can get it open.
Want some dill relish?
Here, open it. That's what I keep them around
Spoon or
for.
shake?
Don't care. Now, however much dill you put in, that's up to you.
We both like
We
dill.
like dill.
And I'm gonna go with the dill relish because I want a little bit of a crunch to mine, a little bit of texture thing. Let's see how. I'm happy with that.
You want that?
Nope, I'm happy with this.
Oh, that's what you said.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna make some noise.
Where did the plastic bags go that the eggs were in?
I threw them away. You're gonna pipe yours, huh?
Yep. I'm gonna be lazy. We'll need a spatula. Not fair. She took the good spatula.
Yeah, ha
She's cheating.
My house.
Well, yeah.
My spatula.
Okay.
I won that one.
Your eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah, the only ingredients of mine that are mine that I brought are the dill relish and the hot sauce. Now, I suppose you could use for mine, you could use the sweet relish, but like I said, we are dill fans, so I made sure that I got a dill pickle relish, not sweetened.
Then you just fill them up.
She's going to use the old tried and true spoon method. Alright, if I can find the knife. Gotta take the tip off of the Ziploc bag. Pipe it in. Which can be a surprise when it gets packed up with the dill pickle
Yeah.
and all of a sudden it shoots out really hard. Oh, and onion. Just plugging it up too.
Oh yeah.
I'm going for a little bigger hole, I think.
So I wasn't so dumb after all, huh?
Never said you were.
Yes, you did when I wasn't listening. I'll bet.
No, you're one of the Smartest people I know, Mom.
Do you have your fingers crossed?
Now, had she not thrown away the Ziploc bag, I know people don't like wasting bags, but we stored the eggs in the fridge in a Ziploc bag. I would have just reused one of those, but she had tossed it before I got to it.
Yeah, but those are so wet.
Well, I don't think it would have mattered too much. All right. And any little bit extra you have, just put on a cracker, a piece of bread, have it like an egg salad sandwich. Don't you think?
Why not?
All right, mine. Once you got it done, you can garnish it with some chopped chives if you want, and some paprika. So I'm gonna sprinkle on some paprika. By the way, I'm lying. This isn't paprika, this is cayenne pepper. You can use chipotle pepper, you can use some ancho chili pepper if you want. I like to say, I'm putting the devil in the deviled eggs.
Now I think what would go good on top of this is like a slice of jalapeno or, you know, some things like that.
Give it a little color, a little bit of punch.
Right.
Yep. That's why I mine would be the green chives and the red of the chipotle pepper or the cayenne pepper.
And mine will be just plain because Dad will only eat them plain.
Now hers is a little bit drier. Mine's a little bit more moist because I used a mustard. She used dry mustard and I put a little bit of relish in mine and the hot sauce. So hers is firmed up a little more. But when this goes in the fridge, it's going to go ahead and solidify some. And I say we let them set up for a little bit and then we'll come back and try them.
Then we'll come back and eat them all.
That's a distinct possibility. We love deviled eggs in this family, so we'll be back in a bit. They've been in the fridge for a couple hours now. Let them set up. I like the red on top for a little bit of garnish. Not necessarily needed. We made last couple episodes ago the BLT bites. These would be fantastic next to something punching with that red color. So,
or even stuck in between them.
Yeah. Got kind of a rosette of eggs and tomatoes would be good. Bacon would be another good garnish for this. Some chives, maybe some
jalapeno.
Some diced jalapeno or even diced pimento for a splash of color. But time to go ahead and try one of mine with the pepper. Good.
They're better.
If you say so. Ain't nothing wrong with that though.
They're fine.
And now to try my mom's old boring plain dill.
You put dill in yours.
I put dill pickles, you put dill weed. Cheers. Just like Mom used to make. Literally. I like.
And still does.
Yeah, I like them both. I really do. I'll eat either one all day long.
True. All day long.
The nice thing about deviled eggs is they're a fabulous keto side. So if you're on the keto diet, mayonnaise and egg are both things you can have. There's a little bit of onion in there.
If you're on dialysis, it's a great thing because the eggs have the albumin.
Yep, you got to get your albumin levels up on the on dialysis. So for a lot of diets, if you're on a low-fat diet, yeah, use a low-fat mayonnaise. It's not going to turn out as good. If you're on a keto, low-carb diet, eggs and mayonnaise, low carbs, high in fat, that's what you want for keto. Probably even like an Atkins or a South Beach diet. I'm not saying eggs are healthy. I'm not saying that. Some people say they are. I think there's nothing wrong with them. Just in moderation. Don't go crazy.
I think they've changed that.
It depends on which week it is. But either one of these are great. Good for sides for summer or wintertime next to, around the turkey for Thanksgiving. And we've had deviled eggs before. So
right.
It's a great hors d'oeuvre. before the football game, have these out with the on the hors d'oeuvre table. They'll disappear, especially down here in the south.
Yeah.
It's always one of the first things to disappear. This and banana pudding are the two items that you bring to a potluck in the south, and you guarantee that you don't have to take any home with you because that will get eaten. So if you guys have your own special deviled egg recipe, I know you can put bacon. You can do a bourbon praline bacon and put that as a garnish. I've seen that recipe. But if you've got your own way to do these that are a little bit different, make sure you share that down or put that down in the comments below. I'd like to see it. Share this with your friends. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button. And we will continue to make some of these summer. For us, it's late spring going into summer, so you'll see a lot of these dishes, these type of dishes coming out over
and
the next.
And some salads.
Yeah, side salads. Not like a side salad, but side dish salads coming out over the summertime because that's what we're going into. We do have a soup going here on the side for another video. Not really going into soup weather, but we're crazy, so it's soup weather year round for us. But you'll see, I know we got a 3-bean salad we want to do. We got to finish eating the mascacholi first. I do. She sent it home with me, most of it. Then we'll do a 3-bean salad. I'm sure we'll do a potato salad pretty soon, or probably a macaroni salad.
A hot and a cold.
Yeah, we've got another hot potato salad to do, another German potato salad. And probably 2 or 3 different cold potato salads and macaroni salads over the next month or so. We're going to go by her standby, which my dad will eat. Then I'm going to do one that I like that my dad probably won't eat. And then another one that I'm sure he won't eat. But we'll do, summer salads coming up or other summertime foods. So if you have anything like that you want to share, put them down below. And hopefully it's something we'll try and make a video of as well. And we'll give you credit. We'll tell you where we got the video from and give you the thumbs up. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having a great day, and I hope to see you in the next, hope you get to see us in the next video. Bye.